I'm Jim Sturtz. I'm the Vice President of Automation and Technology at Lowell Incorporated. We make medical devices for the cardiovascular and spinal implant industry. So these are very complex devices and it's a very competitive industry. So we've had Tsugami machines for 15 years and they're very reliable. They do a lot of the bone screws for us. One of our newest machines is an SS327-5AX. It's a 5-axis Swiss machine with a laser on it. We can do laser cutting, laser welding, and laser etching with that. We chose it to help us make these medical devices that we've had problems with conventional machining. So this is a cardiovascular device, and we conventional machine this, and we had a lot of issues with these ears bending because of the stress of the material. So they would bend in and out. We had a high fallout. So we were 10% or more fallout. So we thought the LaserSwiss could really help us reduce the fallout. So the laser cuts the ears so we have less stress on the material, so they don't flex as much. They don't bend in, they don't bend out. And now our fallout is less than 1%, approaching close to zero.
With the Retishaw probes, we are able to measure each part and with each feature have it set to a certain tool, so the machine will constantly offset for itself and alarm out if a tool breaks or if there's too many chips wrapped up on a certain tool. Any issue that it may have, it will stop itself or adjust itself and relay the data to my computer so that I can read what it's doing.
This machine is a Tsugami DS20 machine. It's going on 20 years old and it was here when I started, and I've been here almost 16 years and I've been running it since I've been here. It's a great machine, very little downtime. We're good on maintenance, keep up on the maintenance, and it's been good in return to us.
The sales and service support that we get from Tsugami is very good. We had technicians come out here and train us on the machine to give us a good head start on being able to use the LaserSwiss and the full capability of the machine. We've had technical support come out and do the maintenance on this to keep the machine running. And we have a lot of good history with Tsugami and Morris Midwest in maintaining the machine and providing us with service and parts that we need.